Today I'm going to show you how to apply a grunge effect using Canva. Go to Canva and let's go to upload, and after uploading your image, let's click in our image and let's go to elements and type grunge frame. Go to photos and you can choose any style you want. Let's choose this one. So we have the borders of this image in black color. Let's go to apps and type blend image. Choose this app. Let's click on this grunge image first. Use it in top layer. Click in the background image. Use it in bottom layer. Go to blend mode and choose multiply. And click add to design. And if you want to make the borders in white color, just click on this image, go to edit and go to Tune, custom, and exchange these colors, make the black white and make the white black. Let's go again to apps and blend image and click clear selection for top layer and use this new image and go to blend mode and choose screen and click add to design. And here is the final results.